What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we'll be checking out a signals provider called signalpeak.io. So signalpeak.io provides you with access to more than 100 different trading signal groups, crypto and forex, and you can try them out completely for free. You have a 1-day free trial. So just a quick disclaimer before we check them out, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. So let's get straight into the video so I can show you how to sign up and use that 1-day free trial so you can see whether you like it or not to up your trading game. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me just share this trade with you on TradingView, show you how it's laid out and how you'll be implementing it on TradingView. So as you can see, the pair we'll be trading is TUT to USDT in the exchanges BingX. So this will be a short trade with a leverage cross of 20x. It gives you your entry targets and all of the take profit targets. So your stop targets, 5 to 10% is your stop loss. But I'll be showing you how to put all of this into TradingView. So all we are going to have to do is we'll just be going to TradingView, type in TUT to USDT, and they also gave us that it should be BingX. Okay, so we'll just go into here, TUT to USDT, just click on that, and it will launch the chart for us. So all we are going to be doing is I'm going to be changing it to 1 hour, and we'll be going through this very quick and simple. So as you can see, the entry targets, it was sent yesterday at 10 past 10. So just keep in mind that there is a time difference between the signal and my TradingView. So we'll go to yesterday and go to 10 o'clock, and we will be putting in our targets. Okay, so when we're here on the chart, as you can see, yesterday, which is the Thursday, 9th of October at 10 o'clock, we'll just get our quick one out, go here to the 5th one, and it is going to be a short position. So we'll just go to Thursday at 10 p.m. and just put it in here for now, and we'll move it. Okay, so as you can see, our entry price was 0.8, 0.0888. Is around here. Okay, so then we'll drag our stop loss, as I said, 5 to 10% depending, but I usually only put mine a very small amount, so we'll have 1% risk. So as you can see, risk to reward is a 3. Okay, so as you can see, it is our final target, which is 0.082. So all we got to do is just drag this to 0.082. And we'll just wait for the trade to play out. As you can see, I've set my stop loss very close to our entry price. So risk to reward ratio is high and our risk is very low. So if you're at work, I would have just probably, okay, so as you can see, we have our stop loss in, we have our entry price, and we have our final target set in. So then all you have to do is just wait for the trade to play out and keep an eye out on that signal group for if they tell you anything about changing the stop loss or closing the position so you don't lose. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That will be a wrap. So if you have any questions about signalpeak.io, comment them down below and we'll get back to you. If you're new, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time.